Let's talk about proteins, the third energy source, my favorite topic. Proteins are the third energy source, but are not a direct energy source. If aliens beam themselves down to Earth to introduce themselves, we could largely tell them that we are made up of proteins and water. Your body uses protein to build and maintain muscles, bones, and other body tissues. Proteins also form enzymes that in turn facilitate chemical reactions, making it possible for antibodies to help illnesses and disease, for hemoglobin to transport oxygen, and for hormones to regulate many bodily functions. Proteins are constructed from 20 different amino acids. Amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own, 9 in all, are called essential amino acids. They must be supplied by foods because the body cannot make them. Those that can be produced by your own body are called non-essential amino acids. In order to make glucose, amino acids have to be broken down. In other words, the body doesn't just digest proteins. When the body is forced to make glucose, the body pays a heavy price in that the kidneys and liver can become taxed. Calcium gets sequestered from bone, dehydration will ensue, and the underpinnings of ketosis will take place. Unlike carbs and fats, proteins have millions of roles in the body, and they have a constituent that carbs and fats don't have, that being nitrogen. We cannot store amino acids in the body because the nitrogen is toxic and must be removed. The body will make all the proteins that it needs, and the rest must be removed. Americans more than get their fair share of proteins in their diet. Food sources of protein include both animals and plants. Animal proteins, meat, fish, poultry, chicken, cheese, and eggs, are usually a good source of complete proteins, meaning they are composed of ample amounts of all the essential amino acids. Vegetable proteins, such as grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and other vegetables, provide incomplete proteins, meaning they contain small amounts of essential amino acids, or some, but not all, of the essential amino acids. If you do not consume sufficient amounts of the essential amino acids, body organ functions may be compromised. People who eat little or no animal protein may not be getting all the essential amino acids that they need. One remedy is to eat plant foods with different amounts of incomplete proteins. For example, beans are low in methionine but high in lysine, and rice is high in methionine and low in lysine. In combination, beans and rice form a complementary protein. Eating the two together at one meal or over the course of a day provides all the essential amino acids. The matching of such foods is called mutual supplementation. Now, the RDA for protein is 10 to 35% of daily calories consumed. The need for protein is based on body weight. The larger your body, the more protein is based on body weight. A healthy adult typically needs 0.8 grams of protein for every kilogram, or 2.2 pounds, if you do the conversion, of body weight, or about 0.36 grams for every 1 pound.